Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar for 10th May. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, I'm in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and if you watch my previous videos, then remember I told you that you should be staying away from GBP USD as long as it is trading in this range, and we can see that right now market has crossed this range beautifully. Okay, and market is facing resistance as of now. Okay, because if you remember correctly, I told you that if market crosses this level also, market will be facing multiple resistances. Okay, and as you can see, though market has crossed this particular range, right now market is facing resistance at various levels. So what should be a strategy then? Okay, I would like to take you to the 4 hours weekly time frame again, because in the weekly time frame we get to see a very crucial support for the market, which is acting as a support for GBP USD for a couple of weeks. Okay, and before that it was acting as a resistance, and before that it was acting as a support. Okay, so to put it simply, okay, this level is so important that for last couple of weeks, okay, this level is also resistance and also support for the market. Resistance was equal to support and support was equal to resistance. So this level is really very crucial, because as of now this level is acting as a support for the market. If I am sounding very much confused, okay, let me take you to the weekly chart and show you. To put it simply, okay, just remember one thing, that okay, let me take you to this level. Okay, 1.3796, this level is very crucial for the market. This level is extremely crucial for the market as a support. Okay, as a support, this level is very crucial. So if you ask me what is the best position to buy GBP USD, then I'll say that 1.3796 is the best position to buy GBP USD. In case market comes down to this particular level and you see that price is bouncing off from here, then this is the best position to buy GBP USD. But as of now, we can see that GBP USD is trading here and facing resistances as we expected. Okay, but in a market condition like this, okay, generally what we do is that we simply short the market once we see price rejection from above. Okay, but here we need to focus on these candles. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, if you look at these candles, you can see that buyers were very much in pressure. Okay, they were so strong that they did not make a small red candle. They simply took the market from here till here. So buyers were dominating very much. So if I look at these candles, then I'll tell you that this is not the perfect position to short the market. If you want to take risk, okay, if you have got the risk appetite, then you can go for a small risk if market forms a red candle like this tomorrow or on Monday. Okay, if market forms a red candle like this, then you can short the market here. Otherwise, this is not the ideal position to short the market considering these candles. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, if you see that buyers are dominating the market, will it be wise enough to short the market in that scenario? No, not at all, not at all. So in that case, you just avoid the market. But if you see a red candle like this, you can short the market if you want to take a risk. Otherwise, the best position for the market will be buy at this particular level or wait for the market to come down. Okay, because market is also in overbought zone. Wait for the market to come down to take support in this level. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? First strategy is, okay, buy at this support level, buy at support. But as we can see that market is quite a distance from this support level, so wait for the market to come down to this particular level, okay, this particular level, or at least wait for the market to come down to wait for the stochastic RSI, which is in overbought zone right now, stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold zone. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, then look at the position of the price. If you see that market is taking support at this price level, okay, at this price level, then you can go for a buy level, buy order, and this price level is 1.3864. okay, so first buy level is this, and second is this. Okay, as market is in overbought zone right now, and market is also facing price rejection from above, okay, let the market come down, let the stochastic come down to the oversold zone. When it will be going up again, look at the position of the price. If you see that it is taking support at this price level, go for a buy, or else this is the base position right now. Okay, and if you find market somewhere around this, then these are not the ideal positions to execute the buy order. Because see, I am telling you, because I receive multiple comments on my videos and also emails where people share the pain of losing money. People lose money on market only because they do not follow the discipline. Okay, see, there are multiple currency pairs available in the market. You do not need to trade on levels which you do not understand. Okay, suppose market starts coming down, and from here it reverses. Okay, do you understand this particular level? Do you find any particular or strong reason which supports your decision, your buying decision? No, there is no strong decision. And if you do not understand the logic behind the reversal at this particular level, then why you should buy? You should not buy. There are multiple pairs available. You should not risk your hard-earned money on a trade that you do not understand. Okay, therefore I always say that you should not chase the market, let the market come to you. Therefore, your safest trade on GBP USD will be at this level, or wait for the market to come down. Okay, wait for the market to come down. When stochastic RSI will be moving up again from the oversold zone, if you find taking support at this level, go for a buy, and if you want to take some risk because see, market is coming down from here. Okay, and if you see that tomorrow market has formed a red candle like this here, okay, then you can short the market. Okay, but still I'll say that this and this will be your safe position to buy. Okay, so hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. Bye bye, take care, see you again, and do subscribe.